Hey there, health enthusiasts! Are you aware of the hidden dangers lurking in your kitchen pantry? Stay tuned as we uncover the shocking truth behind soybean oil and its impact on weight gain. Imagine this. Soybean oil, a common ingredient in American diets, has been linked to significant weight gain in mice. But here's the twist. It's not the oil itself, but the fat-derived molecules it produces inside the body that are to blame. These molecules, known as oxylipins, can trigger inflammation, affect liver function, and even influence genes related to metabolism. Now, let's dive deeper into the research conducted by the experts at UC Riverside. They have shed light on the harmful effects of oxylipins produced by soybean oil. These findings have far-reaching implications for our understanding of how dietary fats can impact our health and well-being. But what does this mean for you and me? Should we be wary of consuming soybean oil in our daily meals? The answer lies in understanding the role of inflammation, liver function, and gene regulation in our bodies. Stay tuned as we unravel the science behind these processes and their connection to soybean oil consumption. As we reflect on the implications of this groundbreaking research, it's crucial to consider the broader context of our dietary choices. How can we make informed decisions about the foods we eat and their potential impact on our health? Join us as we explore the intersection of nutrition, metabolism, and overall well-being. In conclusion, the link between soybean oil, oxylipins, and weight gain is a wake-up call for all of us. By staying informed and making conscious choices about our dietary habits, we can take control of our health and strive towards a healthier future. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to nourishing our bodies and minds. Thank you for tuning in to this eye-opening discussion on soybean oil and its hidden dangers. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Let's continue the conversation in the comments below. Until next time, take care and stay informed.